how was it for you?
Amazing!
You loved it?
Yes!
All the hard work, it was worth?
Yes!
It's 22nd June 2019. I'm in McLeodganj and right now I'm trekking towards the Triund top. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. So let's see how much time I take and when do I reach there. So that green temple there that you see, that is the Gallu Devi temple. So in spite of taking that route and going up, we have taken a shorter but steeper route to go up. We have not taken the Gallu Devi way, we are taking a different route which comes from the backside of the hosteler. It's supposed to be a shortcut, but I guess the shortcuts are harder because the climb is very steep and it's most of us are out of breath. It's difficult for us, and also for a first time trekker like me, all the videos of Triund that I had seen, it seemed to be easy, but this one is very difficult. But yeah, I'm trying my level best. Let's see if at the end of this trek I feel proud of myself or not. Just see the trail and how high up we are going. It's becoming very difficult for me to vlog while trek up. So I'm doing it whenever possible, but I'll show you around once I reach the top. Let me balance myself and be careful. Come up through this track and now joining the one which comes from the Gallu Devi temple, which is the main trail for Triund, and now going straight. We are about to reach that Maggie point there. We're gonna halt there for some time before carrying on with walking to the Triund top. So after a brief halt, we have again started to walk. Our destination is somewhere up there. Still a long way to go. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. We are still going up. पता नहीं कितनी देर और लगेगी. हालत खराब. It's 3:20 and we are almost there. चलो जी पहुंच गए. Finally. I don't have words to explain how I'm feeling right now. The view is majestic, it's awesome. But the trek, it was so tiring. It was very difficult for me. But yeah, finally I made it to the top. And I'm simply sitting on the ground. And right in front of me is the mountain, a lot of clouds. Just enjoying the view. So one side you see the mountains and the other side you see the valley. It's down there. Valley. It's 4:30. We have started a descent and we are going towards our camp right now. Okay, so that's the end of Triund trek. So ladies, how was it for you?
Amazing.
You loved it?
Yes.
All the hard work, it was worth?
Yes.
So that's it from Triund. We have been walking down for our camp. The camping has been stopped at the top here by the government because a lot of littering was happening. So our camp is a little downward. So we are still walking, and according to our guide, we are still going to take 1 to 1.5 hours to reach. So let's see when we reach. This was my abode last night. I've spent the night in this tent and it was my first camping experience, and it was definitely beautiful, and I'm gonna remember this all my life. About the Triund trek, I did find it a little difficult. Probably it's because people say that it's kind of a moderate trek, but I really found it difficult because possibly because it was my first time as for a trek. So the group that I'm traveling with, organized by Wovoyage, and I met some wonderful ladies here. They are all beautiful soul, so positive in their attitude, beautiful, beautiful, and yeah, we did have a very good time. Thank you, Wovoyage, for this amazing, amazing trip that you organized. Triund trek comes to an end here. Now we are moving down, getting back to McLeodganj.